Hey, check out this old school Roadster. Built for that nostalgia look. And also built very nicely for taking out and doing a little cruising. This one's built to drive, as you can see. 32 style front end. Should say front grille and surround. And as you can see, it looks like a 29 style body. We do have it listed as a 32, just so you're aware. It is titled as a 1932 Ford. Little street rod. Slip around here, check this engine out. Powered by an LT1. As you can see, headers, nice looking valve covers. Very cool engine in this. Dual snorkel intake coming up off that throttle body. Very nice, smooth, nice running car. Now you come along the side, you got that old school flame paint job to it. White into the orange to red. Blue tips on a gloss black finish. One of the things I forgot to mention up front, do have disc brakes added up front. It's a little updated stopping power for you. These rear drums. The nice polished aluminum wheels. Silvertone wide white walls, I should say. Again, for that old school hot rod look. Check out the still pictures. This does have a rumble seat and seat belts. It does have seat belts in the front compartment and rear compartment. Check out the still pictures. You'll see that rumble seat area. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Tank in the rear, dual exhaust coming out nicely. See, the car's got a nice finish to it. Kind of some cool pinstriping on it. Again, bringing back that old school hot rod look from the 50s and 60s. Bright red interior in it. Makes it stand out, look very nice. You could show this car, take it to roll-ins, cruise-ins, or just out for that fun drive on a sunny day. That LT1 is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission that sits pretty nice in this car, easy to shift. You got the tilt column, all VDO gauges. Pretty nice setup. See the carpeting again, door cards, interiors finished off nicely. We're going to go ahead and start this up. So here how it runs. See how the gauges work. There's your gauges, goes into the test mode on the speedometer, flips it back and forth once, so that's good. RPMs. Rest of the gauges, you can see that they work. This car's had about 16,000 miles on it since the build. Pinstriping on the inside, it matches the exterior. Grant steering wheel, and once again, tilt column. Nice little rumble out of that V8. Slip around to the back. There's an electric fan right here. If you wanted to click on the electric fan for cooling, that works fine. Nothing crazy obnoxious coming out of the exhaust for sound. Nothing too loud. Yeah, just a nice rumble. Come around to the front. Hear how smooth everything runs. Again, check out the still pictures. You see the underside. Frame suspension setup on it. uniqueclassiccars.com. Old school Roadster, 1932 Ford. Again, 29 style body, 32 style front grille and surround, titled as a 32 Ford. Give us a call. Any questions? 507-386-1726. Look forward to hearing from you.